Hey, welcome. Today we're going to tackle something that's super powerful but can feel a little tricky at first. The category tree. This is the absolute foundation of your content platform.
Have you ever uploaded video? You know it's there, but for some reason, your users just can't find it. It can totally feel like your best content is just hiding in plain sight. Well, there's a very good reason that happens, and we're about to figure it out together.
You see, the fix is all about understanding what I like to call your content's blueprint. And this isn't just some techie feature. It's the fundamental architecture for your entire platform.
So what are we even talking about here? A category tree. It's really just the list of sections for all your content. But here's a better way to think about it. It's the skeleton of your entire platform. It's the invisible structure that gives everything shape and holds it all together.
And why does this skeleton matter so much? Well, because it controls literally everything your audience sees. We're talking the layout of your homepage, the items in your navigation menu, even how series and courses get grouped together in your apps. It all comes back to this one structure. You nail this, and your users are going to have a fantastic, smooth experience.
Okay, so if you want to master this whole thing, there is just one big rule you need to get. Seriously, this is the aha moment. Once this clicks, everything else just makes sense.
And here's the thing. The system isn't trying to be smart. It's not guessing, it's not winging it. It follows one simple, predictable instruction for every single category. Every single time.
And this lays it all out. Side by side, it's so simple. On one side, if a category has subcategories, what does it show? The subcategories? That's it. On the other side, if it has no subcategories, what does it show? The videos inside. That's the whole game right there. Let's break down how the system thinks step by step. A user clicks something. The system asks itself one simple question. Are there any subcategories in here? If the answer is yep, it shows that list of subcategories. If the answer is nope, it shows the list of videos. It's a flowchart, you know? Super logical, totally predictable.
All right, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty. We're going to go from what is this thing to how do I build it? From zero to a perfectly organized platform.
And trust me, it's way easier than you think. You just pop over to your media page, click that little green arrow, hit the plus button, give your new category a name, and bam, save it. 4 clicks. That's it. You've just laid the first break of your blueprint.
And you know what? For most folks, something simple and clean like this is all you need. Each one of these, most viewed, movies, kids, they just hold videos directly. No crazy layers, no confusion. It's super easy for your users to find what they want, and it makes your homepage look great. This is an awesome place to start.
But what if simple isn't enough for you? Right? What if you've got TV shows with tons of seasons or a massive movie library you need to sort by genre? Well, that's when we get into what we call advanced architecture. We're going to use that same simple rule to build something way more powerful. So check out this classic example, a TV series. TV shows at the top, think of that as a big container. When a user clicks it, they don't see videos. They see what's inside the container, which is its subcategory, Series 1. Now, Series 1 is also a container. So when they click that, they see what's inside it, Season 1 and Season 2. And those are the categories that finally hold the actual video files. Okay, this is so important, so listen up. This goes right back to that one big rule. If you try to put a video file directly into that Series 1 category, it's not going to show up, ever. And why not? Come on, you know this. Because Series 1 has subcategories. The system's only job is to show those subcategories, not any videos you try to sneak in there alongside them.
And this same logic works perfectly for things like movie genres. Movies is your container. Its only job is to show you the subcategories inside: comedy, drama, kids. Then, since comedy doesn't have any subcategories of its own, when you click it, boom, you see all the comedy videos. It's simple, it's clean, and it's 100% predictable. Now, once you really get this logic, you can avoid some really common headaches. Because what might feel like a bug or like the system is broken is almost always just the system doing exactly what you told it to do with your blueprint.
Okay, mistake number 1. This is probably the one we hear the most. My videos just disappeared. I uploaded them, but they're gone. Does that sound familiar? Well, there's a really simple reason for it. The reason is almost always the same thing. You had a category, let's say workouts, and it was full of videos. Everything was fine. But then you decided to get organized, right? You added subcategories like yoga and strength inside workouts. The second you did that, workouts became a container. Its only job now is to show yoga and strength. Your old videos? They're still there, technically, but they're now hidden behind that new layer of subcategories. It always comes back to the rule.
All right, here's another classic. I click on a category, the page opens up, and it's just blank. Nothing's there. Again, it's not a bug. It's just your structure at work.
So what's happening here? Well, you've built the next floor of your house, but you haven't put any furniture in it yet. You created the subcategories, so the system is doing its job and showing you that list of subcategories. But if you haven't actually put any videos inside those new subcategories yet, well, then there's nothing for them to show. The system is just waiting for you to finish the job.
And this really is the whole ballgame. I love this line from the documentation. Bamboo shows exactly what your category structure tells it to show. It doesn't have an opinion. It's not trying to outsmart you. You are the architect, and once that really clicks, that you are in total control of the blueprint, the whole system just becomes crystal clear and totally predictable.
So there you have it. You've got the tools, you understand the logic. The blueprint is sitting right in front of you, ready to be designed. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build?